Let's check this Python code snippet. This code defines a class named dog that represents a dog with a name and a list of tricks. The __init___ method is a special method called a constructor that is used to initialize a dog object. When it is created, it takes two parameters: self, which refers to the current object, and name, which is the name of the dog inside the __init___ method. Self name is used to assign the given name to the name attribute of the dog object. It also initializes an empty list called tricks to store the dogs. Tricks. The add trick method is used to add a new trick to the dog's list of tricks. It takes two parameters, self and trick. Inside the method, trick is appended to the tricks list of the dog object. The code then creates two dog objects, Fido and Buddy, with names Fido and Buddy respectively. It then calls the add trick method on Fido to add the tricks roll over and play dead. Similarly, it calls add trick on Buddy to add the trick shake paw. Finally, the code prints the name of each dog and the tricks they know. It accesses the name attribute of each dog object and the tricks list to print this information. Thank you for watching.